Hi guys, Christina Blue with the Home Blue Real Estate Group. Summer is approaching. If you have an HVAC system, that's heater, that's air conditioner, I strongly suggest within the next month, you have an HVAC company come and take a look at your system. The benefits are to make sure that it's run smoothly, more cost efficient over the summer heat. You want to make sure that you're not just, air conditioning your attic or in the winter time that you're just heating your attic. So they do a great job. HVAC companies come and they check for holes really so that the air is coming out. They check for your entire system to make sure it's upgraded and up to date and everything. So my seller tip is to get an HVAC system inspection done really now in the next month. Thanks.